In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files and folders efficiently, focusing on understanding and managing sharing permissions. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing resources with classmates, or simply sending files to family, mastering Google Drive sharing is essential for seamless interaction. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Google Drive. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. If you aren't logged in, you'll need to enter your account details to access the drive. Once you're in, look through your files and folders to find the specific item you'd like to share. It's crucial to select the correct file or folder to ensure that you're sharing the right content with others. Once you've located the folder or file you want to share, click on it to highlight it. Now look towards the top right of your screen for the share icon. It resembles a person with a plus sign next to it. Clicking this icon initiates the sharing process, opening up a dialog box that will allow you to add collaborators. In the sharing dialog, you'll see a field where you can type in the email addresses of those you'd like to share with. If the person you're sharing with is already in your contacts, they might pop up as you begin typing their name, making it even easier to select them. This step is simple yet vital because it determines who will gain access to your files. Be sure to double check the email addresses to avoid sharing with unintended recipients. After adding your intended collaborators, you'll see a drop-down menu next to their email addresses that initially displays the word editor. Clicking on this drop-down reveals various permission levels: editor, viewer, and commenter. Selecting editor grants full editing rights, allowing recipients to modify, organize, and even delete items within the folder or file you've shared. Choosing viewer permits them only to view and read the files, which is perfect for protecting your work while sharing. Lastly, commenter enables recipients to add comments without editing the actual file content, an ideal option for gathering feedback without compromising document integrity. Once you're confident with your sharing settings and permissions, hit the send button to confirm. At this point, your recipients will receive an email notification with access to your shared folder or file as per the permissions you set. Finally, take a moment to consider, do you want to notify people? If you'd rather avoid sending an email notification, simply uncheck the Notify People box before sending. This feature can be exceedingly useful for quiet changes or updates. And there you have it, an easy, comprehensive guide to sharing files and folders through Google Drive. With these steps, managing collaboration and access should now be straightforward and trouble-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to practice these steps to become proficient in managing your Google Drive sharing settings.